Or just- Let's go on the record, please. This is clause number 2020 CR 3672, the state of Texas versus Ryan Wilcox. Attorneys, please make your announcements for the record.
Anna Ochoa Nelson for the state.
Gary Chirac for the defendant.
And Mr. Wilcox is appearing by video conference. Mr. Wilcox, go ahead and give me your full name for the record.
My full name is going to be Ryan Gilbert Wilcox.
Thank you, sir. On the screen, you can see the true bill of indictment that was filed in this case against you. It alleges the offense of continuous violence against the family with separate offense dates, beginning with May 20th, 2018, October 18th, 2018, and April 2nd, 2019. State, how are we going to proceed?
Judge, we're going to be proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault bodily injury, non-family.
That's a Class A misdemeanor, Mr. Wilcox. So we're not in the felony world anymore. It's going to be reduced to a Class A misdemeanor. An assault causing bodily injury is punishable by confinement in the Bexar County Jail for any period between 0 days and up to 1 year confinement in the Bexar County Jail, and also a $4,000 fine. Do you understand the range of punishment that applies to that case?
Yes, Judge.
You have the right to a jury trial. You have the right to cross-examine all the witnesses against you, and you have the right to remain silent. Those are your constitutional rights. Do you understand those?
Yes, ma'am.
When you sign this document that I have on the screen called the court admonishments, what you're telling me is that you want to give up those constitutional rights. Is that what you intend to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your signature that I'm showing you on the screen right above the words Ryan Wilcox, defendant?
Yes, that's going to be my signature.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
I am.
If
Yes.
you're not a citizen, I'm still required to tell you, a plea of guilty or no contest to this charge could result in deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law. Mr. Wilcox, are you satisfied with the representation of your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Does your client have a rational and factual understanding of the proceedings against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
In your opinion, is he mentally competent to waive his rights and enter into a plea?
He is, Your Honor.
I will accept the waiver of rights and make it part of the record. On the screen, I have the plea bargain agreement that was reached in this case. Mr. Wilcox, I want to go over it with you, and then I want you to tell me if this is your understanding. It calls for the recommendation of deferred adjudication for 1 month, no fine. You have to take the anger management course, and there is to be no contact order with Laura Coons. Is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Chirac, is that your understanding?
It is, Your Honor.
Nelson, is that your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your plea to the charge of assault causing bodily injury? That's a Class A misdemeanor, non-family charge. Is it guilty, not guilty, or no contest? Mr. Wilcox,
No
Okay.
contest.
are you entering a plea of no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Are you entering that plea because you have talked about this matter with your attorney and you believe it's in your best interest to do so?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you doing this freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone forced you to enter a plea today
No, Your Honor.
or offered you anything in exchange?
No, Your Honor.
I will accept your plea of no contest. I do find the plea voluntarily made, and I will ask the state to tender its proof.
State offers State's Exhibit 1 with attachments.
Any objections?
No objection.
Statesman is admitted. Mr. Chirac, are you satisfied the state complied with Article 3914 in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
I will sign the discovery acknowledgement and make it part of the record. Give me just a minute, please. Bianca, do you need to meet with him, or you've already got this information? So hang tight, Mr. Wilkins. Let's go back on the record, please. I do find the evidence is sufficient to substantiate your guilt. I will make no other findings at this time. I will grant the application for deferred anger management course and no contact with Laura Coons.
Yes, Your Honor.
Plea bargain case, Mr. Wilcox made an agreement. I followed your agreement, so you do not have the right to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
It's only 1 month. I'm not sure if you live in Bear County or not, but since it's only 1 month, you do have to report to Bear County, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Excused? Oh, wait, you're not excused.